All right, so in second grade, one of our main teaks is focusing on students knowing facts within 20 using addition and subtraction, using a variety of strategies. So a few of the things we use in class to help us, right here we have some Unifix cubes or Lincoln cubes. Decks of cards can be helpful to help randomize numbers. And then here I have a variety of dice. The ones we mostly kind of focusing on right now is this 10-sided die. It goes from 0 to 9. We also have this number cube. The most common one you may have at home is just with the regular dots on it. But these can kind of give us a variety of numbers. And you can use it where you may roll this one 2 times to get 2 different numbers, or you could roll them in combination. So I want to focus on related facts for this video and how they can help us to know more facts than just, 1 or 2 at a time. So if I roll a 1 and a 5. So I will use 1 blue cube and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow cubes. I will put the others out of the way, okay? So right now, I could write down my first related fact for this visual as 1 plus 5. And 1 plus 5 is 6, okay? My other fact, using the same 2 add-ins, 5 plus 1 equals a sum of 6 as well. When we're doing our related facts, parents, you may recall them as being fact families, okay? So we're talking about the same thing. My sum, okay, is 6. But now I'm going to do the subtraction problems, all right? And with that, this is now what we call our minuend. I take away the 5, and I'm left with 1, okay? Putting it back together. 6 is the total. I take away the 1 this time, and I'm left with 5. Using this strategy and understanding the way that 1, 5, and 6 work together helps me know 4 different facts. There are some special situations. For example, if we have 2 plus 2, we know that that is 4. Now, we don't need to flip it around and write 2 plus 2 again because it's just a repeat. But we now need to have 4 minus 2 equals 2. We also have another special situation dealing with 0 and a number. On this die, you could roll a 0 right there, okay? But if it was 0 plus 7, it'd be 7. You could put the 7 first, plus 0, and get 7. And you could have 7 and you take away 0 and still have 7. But we, and especially in the lower grades, not to say that it can't happen as they get older, but in these lower grades, we're focusing on the fact that we need to have an amount to be able to subtract, okay? We can't put 0 minus 7 equals 7. At this time, that's not what we're doing. So once again, these are some of our related facts, okay? And you can use cards also as a way to randomize. If you don't have any dice at home, we all have, a random card deck, and we can just take out the face cards, okay? Jokers, things like that. And you could randomly have, okay, 1 and a 5. That's crazy. Okay, I wasn't trying to do that. But a 1 and a 5 again, or 8 and 3. And then I could do the facts that go with that. I could get my marker open. 8 plus 3 is 11. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 minus 3 equals 8. And 11 minus 8 equals 3. The goal is that students will start to see that these numbers work together and that they don't have to like solve a brand new problem. But if I see the add-ins 8 and 3, even if it's flipped around, the answer is still the same, okay? It's a way for them to see their number relationships.